This 5-minute lava cake is dangerously addictive. One bite and you're done for. First, butter the ramekins completely. Every corner, every edge. Now, sift cocoa powder all over the inside. Coat it fully. This is your chocolate shield. Melt the chocolate and butter in the microwave. Stir in between. We want smooth and glossy. In a separate bowl, add 2 egg yolks and 2 whole eggs. Add vanilla. Whisk until silky and lump-free. Add powdered sugar. Mix just until combined. A small pinch of salt. Give your melted chocolate one last stir and let it cool slightly. Add the flour into the chocolate mixture. Now slowly pour the chocolate into the egg mixture. Pour into your prepared molds about 3/4 full. Bake. Let it rest for 1 minute. And there it is, that molten, flowing center. If you love easy, impressive desserts like this, subscribe for simple and irresistible recipes every week.